The ops team became DevOps along the way. We tried to be DevOps, and that didn't really materialize. And then along came this idea of the SRE. And the SRE was a Google concept, site reliability engineering, and it had a very specific practice and style of operations wrapped around it. But then, again, like DevOps, it seemed good in idea. It's like everything works in theory, but in practice, it does not. And so we found that this is, talk about apropos, control theory being the thing we got to solve. So we're going to talk today about the AI SRE. Now that we've got SRE as more of a common methodology and a title. It's a real title. I walk around and people say, I'm an SRE. And like, we used to say that before, but you weren't, like, no one really thought of it that way.
Yeah. So, I mean, maybe a good start is like, what does an SRE do, right? Before we start to AI SRE. So, it is about reliability, right? And improving reliability of our services. That does mean, sort of understanding, troubleshooting incidents, but it's also the proactive part, right? Of capacity planning and making sure config changes go well and all the rest of it. So, what we like to say is AI for SRE. It's sort of a classic, I think, automation journey. I mean, you can sort of picture it in 3 steps of, if we had sort of human sort of monitoring dashboards and understanding stuff, to maybe phase 2 is, well, can it actually inform us, give us recommendations, help us cut time to resolution, cut time to resolve stuff. And then you've got the sort of the fully automated, full self-driving mode in phase 3. I definitely think we're in sort of that second phase of, I think there's understanding, and certainly in the conversations we had at the show, that these, AI can help SRE teams, help them be more effective, help them be faster, help them understand issues faster. And we also need to remember that SREs, just had a conversation, SREs is like 10 SREs on a team. Some of them are junior, some of them are senior. So like it's about enabling the team and making them more effective. Not so, we like to say AI for SRE, and we think there's a big distinction versus, we're not trying to replace a person here. We're trying to make them more effective, right?
And if we require every operator to know this API, this log, this GraphQL language, this SQL query they got to run, why not set AI up against it and say, like, let's let it do what it does well and summarize. Their job sucks sometimes. Let's make it suck less. Just making it less suck. Probably not the best marketing message, but like reducing the amount of suck in your day will make it better.